guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. It's time for another declutter video and this one is insane. It really is. Let me just show you. So look, I've got an empty wall. But actually I think it's never been worse than this. Because I've got this over here. It's an old radio, it's the back side of an old radio. I've got this over here. Now it's in my living room. Boy. And I've got this, but I'm standing where my boxes used to be, over here, so that's been the same for a little while. But over here I've got this. Boy. It's such a mess. Yeah, so this is stuff that I am going to sell, or I'm already selling when you see this. This is stuff that is for sale at the moment. This I still need to figure out. Oh, right, we have this over here. It's under my counter, it's over here, it's in my kitchen, it's in my living room, it's everywhere. But there's a reason for this. So the reason why this is no longer an organized mess, but just a giant mess, is that we ordered a cute little cabinet. We ordered it online, and to be honest, we have no idea if it is really nice or not. I mean, it's a really nice, cute little cabinet, but the colors are yellow and green. And it might be pastel yellow and lovely green, or it might be bright yellow and really ugly green. So yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. And they want to bring it over this week. And I have thought, I don't know where to put it because it's a mess in my living room, well, in my kitchen. So we had to make space. So we took out, we're busy taking out all the boxes, and then they can put the little cabinet over there, and then we're just gonna put boxes in front of it because we don't really need it at the moment. Let me show you, but first let me show you this. This cabinet is also green. It's an ugly color green, so it might be this color, I don't know. So this is my craft corner. You might have seen it before. It looks amazing, it looks huge, except it's a mess right now. But to be honest, these are bookshelves. Actually, these are CD bookcases, CD/bookcases, and the shelf is only 20 centimeters, so it looks like a lot, but you can only put little stuff on here. So it's really hard to get to put my paper somewhere, or I do have it over here because this one is bigger. Anyway, my daughter is moving house and she's taking all the stuff from her bedroom upstairs and bringing it to her new house. And once that's done, all these bookshelves are gonna go upstairs, and it's gonna be Jan his library. He can't wait to have his own library and just to organize his books. So then this will be empty. Look at this wall. Now it's a mess, but it's a long wall. So we already bought a little cabinet. And so that's why we are making room for it over here. Yeah, so that's why it's such a mess. So today I'm going to organize those. I need to search through it because I sold one item and I'm afraid I don't have it. I'm afraid it was still on the website even though I didn't have it. So I have to go through those boxes. And then I am going to decide more quickly to get rid of stuff. I'm just gonna donate it because, yeah, nobody wants to buy it apparently. And this has been in my kitchen for too long. So I really want to clear this out real quickly. Before summer, that's quickly for me. Before summer might sound like a long time, and it is, but because I can only do a little bit every day, that's quick. So, but I don't want this in my living room anymore. So I'm gonna donate most of it, try to sell a little bit, but most items I'm just not even gonna try to sell. Because last week only thing I've been doing was taking pictures, putting things on Marktplaats or on my Declutter Facebook page and selling some items. So I really did sell, but then you have to send messages and get paid and make sure you find everything and put it in an envelope or a box and ship it. And it took me a week to do all of that, and it was fun and it was nice, and I really sold quite a lot, which is really nice. But I worked on that for a week and I still need to bring some packages to the post office, and I made 110 euros, which is awesome, but it took me a week. In that week I could have decluttered so much more. So I'm going to let go even more quickly. I just want this out of my house now. So the next clip you're gonna see is hopefully of a nice cute little cupboard. Because that's why I'm doing all of this mess. Just keep your fingers crossed that it's a really cute cabinet. I think it's gonna be really ugly. Good morning, guys. Look at this. It's so empty here. This is what I want. Unfortunately. This. And this. And some more in my living room. So this morning they're gonna bring the either very cute or very funny, cute little cabinet, or it might be very ugly. We'll find out. So that's why this is empty. And then unfortunately I have to put all of that in front of that again. So next clip, there's gonna be a cabinet over here. A little cupboard. I mean, what you call that? Ta-da! Oh, I forgot. We also have a little one. In the kitchen, maybe? It's dark. We bought this cutie. Oh, it's nice. It's cute. Okay. Now, this one is okay. This one is fun. Look at it. Whoa, it's old. I love this. But now, fingers crossed, here we go. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be awful. I know it's gonna be awful. But that's okay. We'll just paint it. But it would be nice if it's really nice. And we do like really weird colors and stuff. I'm just looking in the garden. See if it's coming around the corner. Okay. Okay, Tim and Jan know the color. Because there it comes. He's not looking. And? Oh, here we go. It's the back side. I still. Oh, it's yellow. It's yellow. It's green and yellow, but I think I love it. I mean, look at it. I love this part so much. Oh my gosh. What will I put here? Ella stuff. I don't know. It's awesome. What do you think, honey?
I like it. I love it.
You love it? Yeah. What do you think about the color? Because it's quite green. What do you think, Tim?
It's green.
It's green, but it's also yellow. I would have loved it if it was a little bit more pastel, but because when I turn off the lights, I think you still see it. But it's the same color as, I think it once was this color. Most people will like this better, but to be honest, kind of love it. Okay. Now, we kind of like it, but the question is, does the cat like it? Well, you can crawl into it, so yes, of course I like it. What do you think, Rowan? Does it have spiders? You can eat them. Oh. Is it okay? What's in there? I don't want to know. Can we keep it? Oh, she's undecided. So what do you think? Yay or nay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. In this color?
Why not?
Why not? Indeed. Look, there's more, Rowan. There's another one. Why do they always have to go in? No, that's mean. Oh, Tim. Poor kitty. So we have this one and we have this one. Yeah, I think we should put that one just a little bit in front of that one. That'll look nice.
Sure would. Not practical.
Not practical at all, but still. Is there something in there? It says sold. To us. We're the weirdos who bought all of this. And what is the best feature? This. Guys, this is so amazing. You know that this is all glass. Yes, it's glass, but separate. Separate pieces of glass. So, let me know in the comments down below, what am I going to put in here? And what am I going to put in here? The rest is not important. Okay guys, now that I have this wonderful cupboard, I really don't want to put the boxes back in front of it. I just really don't. I know I have a lot to declutter. My attic is still a mess and I have so much to declutter. So many items from my stamping store and stuff. I think I'm going to start with a different strategy because this is just taking too long. I've had it. It's been a few years. I want it out of my living room. I don't mind having stuff upstairs that I need to sell, sort through. I still have lots to declutter and I wanted to do that as well. And I don't mind having 1 or 2 boxes in my kitchen that I want to sort through or that I'm selling. But I've got so much that I am trying to sell. I've got it on the auction site and different sites. But nobody just wants to buy it. Just a few items. I mean, the best items do sell, but the rest, which are still awesome items, nobody wants it. And I'm just gonna go through the boxes real quickly. And I'm going to sort it in a few groups. I'm going to sort it craft supplies, because I'm going to make grab boxes with that. I'm going to sort, what was I? Craft supplies. Stuff that I just really want to donate right away. And it's going to be donated this week to the kringloopwinkel, the thrift store. And stuff that I want to try and sell. So the real good stuff. And items that I'm not sure of, because there are a lot of items that I need to think about, but I want to do that quickly now. So start sorting in those categories. And the items that I'm going to donate to charity or the thrift store, I want them out of the house this weekend. But we're also busy in North Your house, so it's probably not gonna be this weekend, but as soon as possible. Because I want to see this. Look at it. So I want to see this over here instead of all of this. Now this is now over here and I don't want it over here, so I want to get rid of all of this. So what did I say? Craft supplies, so those are gonna stay here, but I'm gonna put them in different boxes. Donate stuff. I still want to sell stuff and I'm not sure. 4 categories. All of these. So I'm not gonna film that because it's gonna take too much time. But maybe I can film every now and then a little bit and show you that it's even more mess, because now I'm gonna put boxes and piles everywhere. It's gonna be fun. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. But what do you think of my wonderful... Oh my gosh, it's so green. I just love this round corner so much. Otherwise it would have been just a really nice cupboard. But this thing... Can't wait until this is finished. Did I already tell you in this video? This is all gonna go. It's gonna go upstairs. It's gonna be my husband's library. And I need something new. So I have this thing over here. Well, it's gonna be over here. Then I have an empty space. And then I have a pink cupboard with 8 boxes in it. These boxes. I've got this one, and I've got a few of these are my daughter's. This one is mine. Cinnamon roll. My melody. I have no idea what it's called. Oh. And Kudomi. No Hello Kitty, because it was bright red and I didn't like that. Loved Hello Kitty, but it was bright red. So these are gonna go in the pink cupboard. Then I'm going to have, well, something else over there. Any ideas? And then this. It's gonna be awesome. So to do that, I want to get rid of that. I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna get rid of all of it. Okay. Wish me luck. Haha, so in here I'm going to keep the stuff that I want to sell. I've got lots of very old Pokemon from the 80s. I've got these things, a whole lot. So I want to try and sell those. So I'm going to put them in here. And then, for now, I hope I'm not going to put any more boxes in front of this. But I've got all of this where I can store the stuff that I want to sell. Whoop. Whoa. And then I have stuff like this. Guys, I've been wanting to collect Pez for I think 30 years. But I can't decide. Do I take them out of the packaging? Do I maybe keep the packaging? Do I keep them like this? I can't decide. So what do I have? A whole box full of stuff that I don't display because I'm not sure how I'm gonna display them, because I'm not sure how I want to collect them. And that's my autistic brain that can't decide. But now I have so many, I can't let go of them. I really want to collect this. But how? So this is one of the boxes I'm gonna put aside and deal with later. And maybe I have a spot where I can put these on display very nicely, and maybe I decide I'm gonna take them out of the packaging. I'm gonna do it. I don't know yet. So this is one of those boxes. I don't know yet.